I cannot know why I am distressed, nor do I know where love is that they talk about so much. For I do not hear it, nor see it, nor perceive it, but in appearances I find more wrong than right. But I hear complainers call it true love. Here is the comfort that annoys me and destroys me, and makes me love her who holds me captive and flees me, and in fleeing pursues me and walks toward me. I cannot leave nor know how to stay quiet, for anger makes me say boasting words of my fierce desire. I am so distressed that I complain because I do not enjoy her whom I love more than any squire ever loved. Geis of Nantua loved the maiden Eglintina, and I die loving. So presumptuous am I, because we cannot both call her my wife. And she turns to my hand and kills her neighbor. Does slandering or scheming profit me? By yes I remain, by no I am dismayed. And now I will have to take comfort from the Bertol, like he who says, singing in Folket's manner, that in Tortona, there toward Alessandria, I will seek mercy, but here I find no refuge. And it will grieve me if I part from her because of noise. Let it only begin, for it will be harm if it does not become refined. Good lady, faithful and frank and upright, I have been to you and have borne your praise. Let us speak together plainly and sweetly, and understand what I will say to you this time. I have loved you more than Andrew loved the Queen. Before I was mine or another's, I am yours and will be without any doubt. So are you not my sister nor my cousin? Your beauty gave me the pride of the peacock, who admires his green and vermilion and blue, until through pride he errs from the walls. That pride holds him until he bows his head when he sees his feet, and I imitate him when I see my lady, who with fair semblance brings me joy and pride. Until then it does not reach me. In Provence, when I pursue and when I flee, I cry Montferrat, the banner of which I am. And Tortona, there toward Alessandria,